I'm Lucinda Curry. I'm the Director of Workforce Development at the Robert C. Byrd Center at Marshall University. We set up apprenticeship programs in 17 different advanced manufacturing occupations. An apprenticeship is really 4 different things. You have on-the-job training, and you're getting paid for it. So it's not an internship or a co-op, it's an actual job. And then they get related training along with that. It's about 144 hours a year, required related training. And then they have their credential. They get a National Skills Credential from the Department of Labor and a progressive wage scale. So their wage, as their skill levels go up, their wages go up. So those 4 things really constitute a registered apprenticeship program. Students can come into manufacturing, earn their associate degree through one of our partner institutions, go on in to apprenticeship to learn more in-depth skills.